Please, my lord. So item 1 are those NIOS matters. I prepared a convenience chart, my lord, so that paper book may not be seen. Can I just tender the chart, my lord? For 5 times, my lord, I've clarified. Can I just tender this chart, my lord? It is.
Some of the respondents are not served.
I'm sorry, my lord.
The office noting is that some of the respondents are not served.
That may be in item 1. Item 1 can be disposed of with the direction that it's a transfer petition. Item 1.1 and 1.2 I am pressing. If my lord would want to hear on 1.1 and 1.2, I am ready, my lord. Item 1 we may not press. It can be disposed of if my lord would consider. My lord would just have the back side, my lord. I have reproduced all the repeated orders that my lords have passed on the back side of this chart. The front page gives the table. I'm concerned about Odisha and Telangana today, my lord. 19 of us in Odisha and 11 of us in Telangana, my lord. For the past 12 months, we are being made to run pillar to post, my lord. We were all in service as on 10th August 2017, which is the 4th column. The advertisement details are given, my lord, in the 5th column. We have applied, my lord. This is different as the Bihar matter. In the Bihar matter, there was no application. In the 5th column, my lord would see we have applied. We have made it to the merit list. Very, very important in the 6th column, my lord. All of us. And then in the 7th, my lord, we have gone for document verification also. Document verified. But the second last column, my lord, the unfortunate part, we have not been issued appointment letters. And kindly have the last page, the backside of the chart, my lord. All the important orders repeatedly, my lord, 5 times, starting from Jaiveer Singh, my lord, which my lord had authored, my lord. My lord had protected the in-service people, the in-service candidates in Jaiveer Singh, the first span, my lord. Then my lord was pleased to clarify in serial number 2, if I may read, my lord, in serial number 2. We have clarified in the judgment under review that one-time scheme was provided solely to safeguard the interest of those teachers who were employed as on 10th August 2017. We are therefore not inclined to entertain present review petitions as well as the miscellaneous applications. Para number 3 is important, my lord. I am reading row number 2. However, to avoid any confusion, we again clarify that the 18 months diploma obtained by such persons who were in employment as on 10th August 2017 and who have completed the diploma course of 18 months would be treated as a valid diploma holder for the purpose of applying in other institutions as for promotional avenues. Then my lord would see in serial number 3.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General.
Yes, Lord, we have a difficulty actually this recruitment process for the assistant teacher with that 2 years requirement that was completed in July 2024. So this clarificatory order came in December 2024. So recruitment process was over. So all those petitioners here, they were not eligible otherwise.
Not eligible on what ground?
So eligible as on the date of that last date of making application. So this December 24 order had not come. So your lordship may direct that we are having a fresh recruitment, 7,000 posts, they will be considered. In that light, it can be disposed.
They have to be appointed if they have been, according to them, they have been found to be eligible verification. So, and if they are in service.
So your lordship may dispose of in that light, in the light of Jaiveer Singh. Will be considered.
Lord, may direct that within specified time they may issue me appointment letters, my lord. Because throughout, my lord,
that has to be
protected the in-service people.
Tell us on what ground they are found to be ineligible.
That was on this ground. 18 months were there. That was through the distant 18 months requirement earlier. Now the NCT says it is 24 months. So therefore, as on the date of...
I have clarified time and again that this was only in order to meet the requirement under the Right to Education Act.
Correct.
And therefore, since the time was short, a special window was given to them of 18 months. It was only available to those persons who were already in service.
So lordship may disposed of with that observation.
Very good. Yeah, good.
Lords, I am appearing on behalf of Telangana. We are having a same case in respect of Odisha only, that the recruitment process was very well completed and the appointment orders were issued well prior to the clarification order.
But then why were they not appointed?
Lords, for the 18 months diploma thing.
In both these cases? Two. What about the first one?
Well, the first may be disposed of with we'll withdraw that, my lord. First may be dismissed as withdrawn. Item number 1. 1.1 and 1.2 is important.
Undisputably, the petitioners in this cases were in service on 10th of August 2007. As this court, in the case of Jaivir Singh and others versus the state of Uttarakhand, it has been successfully clarified from time to time. Tell that the candidates who have passed 18 months diploma and who were in employment on 10th of August 2017 and we have time and again tell that the persons who were in employment as on 10th of August 2017 and who have completed the diploma course of 18 months would be treated as valid diploma holders for the purpose of applying in other institutions, not for commercial avenue. In both these matters, it is not dispute that the petitioners were in employment on 10th of August 2017. The only ground on which they are denied appointment is that they did not have a diploma of 2 years. But in that way of the matter, the petitioner is to be allowed. The respondent states are directed to issue appointment to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from now.
I'm so deeply grateful, my lord. Can I just make one request, if that may please, my lord? Lord, what has happened is, if it just pleases, my lord, in some states, after the clarification order, my lord, new documents which were not sought on 10th August 17 are being sought today, my lord. So I can't produce those documents. If my lord would consider clarifying, very well.
That is not okay.
Very well.
That was in Bengal.
Lord, in Assam also the same thing is happening. They're asking for 10 new documents which was not originally asked for. Originally only an experience letter were asked for.
Because their cases are those, many of the schools were bogus schools.
Very well. I'll not. I'm so grateful, my lords, deeply grateful.
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord, the petitioner and respondent number 2 wants to